Inserting a room can be done by going to our Loads Calculation tab, our internal panel, and selecting this icon here for inserting room, or we can go to our command side window and under the building step by step, come down to our insert room. First, we need to select a zone, which as we have here, zone-1, which we created from our building units. And then we can go ahead and from our description, select the different types of rooms that we would like to insert, in this case, kitchen. If I zoom in, you can see that the label has put in a code, description, the zone, and the area. If I select the label, go to an Extended Data tab, come down to our label, add to project. We can also choose different types of other labels that we would like to be visual in our drawing. For instance, our floor structure, if I select Apply, OK, it has now been added to our label of the floor structure, which is a floor plywood 2x10 joist R19 internal. I'll undo. And you can also go to the view from a southwest isometric view, and you can also see that the room has been inserted from a 3D module. With the green lines representing the partition walls, the yellow lines representing the ceiling, cyan color being our external walls, and our red being our floor. We also have our door and our windows being drawn as well. If I come back to the view top, we have an overhead view, and I will go ahead and insert the remaining rooms. For instance, we have a corridor, we have a half bathroom. We'll come down and we can choose a closet, choose a dining room. If you don't see a room in our selection, you can physically type in whatever room you would like, for instance, family room, and also we have an entry. Again, coming from an isometric view, you can see that all of our rooms have been inserted from a 3D module.